Hello, welcome to another episode of the De-hovelizer. This video, I'm down in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and I'm at our Airbnb that we purchased almost 2 years ago as of today. We bought it because we fell in love with Jax Beach maybe about 8 years ago. May have been 10 years ago. But we fell in love with Jax Beach when we came down. So we decided to purchase Airbnb here so we could have a vacation home. And the only way we could afford it was to also Airbnb it. So that's where I'm at now. And I'm going to do a walk around of the property because we actually have a lot of work going on here. We're getting new balconies and new soffits, new paint, and all of that. I'm not doing all of the work, so I can't take credit for that, but I am going to show you guys what's going on to de-hovelize our Airbnb in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. So here we are in the front of the building. As you can see, construction has started, not as much as it has in the back, and we'll get to that in a minute, but you can see we're under construction. Those burgundy balconies are getting taken off. We're going to replace those with white. We got the paint samples. Oh, real quick, there's the beach 2 blocks up, just so you know how close the condo is to the beach. But we're going to replace those balconies with white balconies, and we're going to replace the sliding glass doors with white sliding glass doors. The windows are going to be white. There's also the paint samples that we tested out on the building. This far right color is what we're going to go with. It's kind of like they call it sea salt. It's kind of got this blue with a little bit of green in it. So that's what we're going to use for the building color. There's the new doors. The new doors are going to go in. They're doing the back of the building first. There's a new balcony tile. Don't look like it's enough, but I'm assuming it is. But yeah, that's the new balcony tile. Sliding glass door frames. And more scaffolding. You can see where they're doing the window sills. Redoing the window sills, make sure they don't leak in the future. And there's where they're taking out the doors. And there's also where they've taken out the doors and the railings. They've already taken out the railings off this back side, as you can see. Here's the other side. They put the waterproofing up. More door frames. As you can see where they replaced the ledger board, or whatever you want to call that main board at the bottom of that deck. Got the new ceilings in. So this will eventually be done. This will eventually be done to the front. So right now, I can enjoy my balcony for right now. I think maybe in a couple weeks, my balcony is going to look like this, and I won't be able to go out onto it. So that's the building walk around. There's my neighbor taking scrap wood to fix them in his house. Nice guy. He keeps a lookout on the property. Sometimes I can call him and have him check stuff out. Pretty nice guy. His condo is actually for sale, so way out of my price range though. Alright, so I promised to walk around with the place. So starting at the front door, as you come in, you can see right off into the balcony with the curtains open. There's the kitchen with the new floor just laid. Epoxy countertops kind of did a blue black beach feel. They came out pretty nice. The humidity in Florida almost messed them up when I opened the door, but I saved them. So let's get a walk around to some things what the condo comes with. Full set of dishes. Got bowls up top, a whole ton of plates, ton of cups. Wine glasses, liquor glasses, regular glasses, anything you need. Coffee station here, coffee cups, plenty of them. Got some spices, some coffee sweetener. I'm not a coffee drinker, so we have a Keurig, regular coffee maker, toaster. Of course, microwave, utensils. Forgot to show you the pots down here. So full set of pots down there, plenty of pans. All right, I'm gonna take you around to the living. Well, first let me stop here. This is my kitchen table slash workspace. You can actually hook your laptop up, HDMI, and just work with 2 monitors. And it's a keyboard and a mouse. They're Wi-Fi, or I'm sorry, Bluetooth. So you can hook your stuff up Bluetooth to a keyboard and mouse and work remotely. So that's for all my work people that like to work on their vacation or vacation while they work, whichever way you want to put it. Let's go over here to the washer and dryer. So it's a full-size washer and dryer, stackable. It's not one of those little bitty ones. We actually, as you can see, we actually made the closet a little bit bigger so to fit a full-size stackable instead of the small little bitty ones. So let's close this back. All right, gonna walk around some more. TV, not sure what size it is, 65 maybe. A little bit of decor. Beach is dead away, or beach house, whichever way you want to look at it. It could be an arrow, it could be a house. Back here a little bit more decor. Got the Alexa, if you want to play some music, hook up your phone to it. Let's go in the second bedroom. Has 2 twins in it. We took the closet doors off because we felt like it's easier to grab your stuff and go. Don't have to worry about looking in the closet. Make sure you got everything. Again, another TV. Let's go into the guest bathroom. Pretty basic. Got dehumidifier going. Shower. Let's walk back out of here. And that's another look at the twin beds side by side. And they're actually twin XLs, so they're the same length as a queen, but they're just slimmer than a queen, but they're the same length. Oh, forgot to show you the bar stools at the bar. So got plenty of seating. Those 3 bar stools, tables, and coffee table. Let's go over to the other bedroom. This other bedroom has a king bed. Plenty of storage on the sides. Let's go over here. Of course, TV. Ceiling fans in every room. Got your iron, towels and bath cloths. We also have the USB power outlets right on top there, so for your convenience. Ironing board. Master bath. Not much to it, basic bathroom. Dehumidifier, keep it fresh in here. And show you a little something I hooked up with the Alexa. So the dehumidifier actually comes on when you turn the light on. So if I turn the light off, it's actually off. So if I turn the light on, it actually comes back on. So both bathrooms have that. You know, being down in Florida heat keeps you from getting a little bit musty in the bathrooms. All right, let's take a look at the balconies, which is getting redone soon. So here's the balconies. All these balconies are coming off. You can see the scaffolding that I'm getting ready to take it off, but this is what it currently looks like. It's a real wide balcony. I can go all the way over here and all the way over there. We got 4 chairs out here with plenty of space. And there's your view. And the beach is 2 blocks that way. So you see that big beige building, or those 2 big tall buildings, those are both beachfront, oceanfront condos. So that shows you how close we are to the actual beach. So that's it. That's the walkthrough. Let us know how much you like the place in the comments. Just saw a little place down in Jax Beach, Florida, that we use as a vacation home and an Airbnb or short-term rental. And that's it. See you guys next time.